Hey, I'm Sarah, and I was just sent this really cute rechargeable lamp. This is such a nice, lightweight, portable lamp that you can put anywhere. I mean, really anywhere, because you don't need to have it plugged in. And this thing lasts a really long time. Once you get it fully charged, it can go up to like 30 hours. Now, it is all metal across all here. It's got a nice fabric shade on it. The bottom of it is a non-slip surface, so it's not going to be moving all over the place. And there are multiple ways to control this. You've got right here on the top, you just barely press the button and you filter through 3 different colors. But on top of that, whenever you hold it down, it dims, which makes it great for reading light to night light. You could just easily move that around. Now, on top of that, it actually comes with a remote. I've not seen a lamp that has a remote, which is fantastic. Because if you have this set up across the room, you're laying in bed, the last thing you want to do is get up. This solves that problem. So I'm going to bring you in here and take a look at this lamp and show you all the features that this thing has. So here's this lamp up close. Like I said, you've got these nice fabric ends all the way across here on this nice shade. Golden lamp post. Right here is where you put in your rechargeable cord, which they do provide. But on the front, this is where it all happens. You've got your button right here. Like I said, you can brighten it and lower it back down. And then you have your 3 different color temperatures. So to use the remote, if I just want to turn it on and off, you can easily press the button to turn it on and off. Change all of your different modes. Like I said, if you wanted to dim it from the remote, works seamlessly. Absolutely love that. Then you have your timers, and it just kind of lets you know that you have your timers. Or you can just put it straight into nightlight mode. So I'm going to kick off the lights so you can see this in the dark. So here is the lamp, just kind of in the dark light, so you can just see those color variations. It just provides a really nice soft glow. I really appreciate the gold metal all the way through here. Like I said, at the bottom, you do have that non-slip grip. This was super easy to put together. It's about 16 inches tall, and across the top is about 6.5 inches. So it's a nice, small, portable lamp that you can have in any area you'd like.